In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the color of a shape in Google Slides on your PC. This simple yet essential skill is great for personalizing your presentations and making them more visually appealing and engaging. Let's jump right in. First, you'll want to open your Google Slides presentation. To do this, simply navigate to Google Slides on your browser and open the specific presentation you want to edit. Once your presentation is open, locate the slide containing the shape whose color you want to change. Click on that slide to bring it into focus. Now direct your attention to the shape you wish to modify. This could be any type of shape such as a circle, square, or any custom shape you've inserted into your slide. Click on this shape once. You will see that it's now selected, indicated by a highlighted outline around the shape. With your shape selected, turn your gaze to the toolbar at the top of the screen. Look for the paint bucket icon, often known as the fill color button. Clicking this icon is your key to accessing the color palette. It might seem straightforward, but finding this icon among other options can sometimes be a small challenge if you're not familiar with it. Once you've clicked the paint bucket icon, a variety of color options will unfold right in front of you. Here you can choose from a spectrum of colors provided in the palette. Each color option has been thoughtfully selected to help cater to a wide range of design needs. But the customization doesn't stop there. If you find yourself needing a very specific shade that isn't available in the default palette, simply click on Custom. This option will allow you to choose from an even broader range of shades and create the perfect hue for your shape. Now that you've chosen your desired color, simply click on it, and just like magic, your shape is filled with this new color. It's a small change with a big impact, instantly giving your slide a fresh, new vibe. And there you have it. Your shape is now sporting a brand new color, bringing both style and clarity to your Google Slides presentation. This feature is an excellent tool for emphasizing important information or simply adding a splash of color to make your content more dynamic. Thank you for tuning in to learn how to change the color of a shape in Google Slides. I hope you find this guide helpful and that it inspires you to create even more engaging and customized presentations. Until next time, happy presenting.